Hey guys, grab your guitars because today we're gonna learn how to create a funk groove from scratch, step by step. Just before we get started, if you guys like funk guitar videos, I'm gonna leave a few more in the description below, so you might want to check them out as well. Let's get started. All we need today is this C9 funk chord, typical 9 voicing for the funk chord, and we need some drums. And here we have some funky drums, okay? There is a little bit of a shuffle feel as well. Let's count the beats together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing first, I'm just gonna get the C9 with a downstroke on the beat number 2. And I'm gonna do this with quite of a short stroke with a staccato. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. This is all we need to get started. Now on the fourth beat, I'm gonna play a little bit more and I'm gonna do a down up, okay? So 4/16. 1, 2, 3, ba 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 ba, 2, 3, ba 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 ba, 1, 2, 3, ba 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 ba, 2, 3. Okay, just down up. Now let's put them together. Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 40 and up, 1, 2, 3, 40 and up, bum, 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 bum. Okay. Now, once we have this second and fourth beat, so the two beats that we play together with the snare of the drum kit, let's add something in between, okay? I'm gonna play a couple of upstrokes, just in between the beat 2 and 4, starting on the 4th 16th of the second beat and also playing on the 2nd 16th of the third. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's already much more funky, I guess. So why don't we add a little bit of a bass, okay, to this groove, maybe at the beginning of the bar on the beat number 1. So when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, okay, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. Okay, I'm gonna play this a little bit longer so that we get a dynamic and the difference between a long note and a short note, which is the staccato on the beat number 2. So all together, that sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, now this groove that we're gonna play, it's almost there. We still miss something. So basically there's no such a thing as a funky groove unless you get some ghost notes in. So let's throw some ghost notes in between the strokes that we already played. We'll get something like this. 3, 4. Okay, this is definitely groovier now because we throw in a few ghost notes, those scratchy sounds in between. Okay, but we can't play the same bar every time, so we need a few variations. Why don't we get started with adding a bass line? And I'm thinking of something like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I played 3 notes, G, B flat, B, and I'm starting on the 2nd 16th on the E of the beat number 3. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, okay, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E, okay. And then the next two notes belong to the beat number 4. They are 2 eighth notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Okay, just a chromatism to get back to C. If we play this, for example, the second time that we play the groove, we get something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, did you see, guys, that I played the walking bass line straight after one of the two upstrokes that we were playing before? Okay, I'll play it again. So, okay, the first time maybe I waited a little bit too long, but now I could add one more variation, maybe the fourth time, so that we have a variation every second bar. And I was thinking of creating some tension to get back to C9. Maybe we could do that with a dominant chord, maybe with an altered dominant chord, which could be, for example, a G7 altered, which is nothing but a sharp 5 flat 9 like this, maybe rootless. Or it's Triton, which is going to be just a classic D flat 9, so the same as the C9, half step higher, but again, I'm not going to play the root, okay? So I'm just going to do this thing here, and I do this on the fourth beat, so the very last beat of the fourth bar. Something like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that we got this, it's time to listen to it all together. Let's give it a go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more thing, guys. I played this variation on the fourth beat, of course, cutting the last upstroke just before that. So while I played the C9 the last time, I don't play two upstrokes. I play only one of them, okay? This is because sometimes in funk, if you leave more space, it sounds even more groovy. You can also grab quickly the tremolo bar if you have one, and you can play some vibrato on that chord, which is really cool. So yeah, we're ready with our funky groove. Let's listen to it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so you got your funk groove, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you played it along with me. If you guys like this kind of videos, I'll link in the description below another video which is how to create an acoustic groove step by step. Basically the same type of video, just on the acoustic guitar with something with more arpeggios and percussions on the acoustic guitar. So you might want to check that out as well. Also, if this is your first time around, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notified, and like this video to support the channel. Thanks for watching this video, guys. The Bearded Guitarist here. I'll be seeing you next week.